Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a copycat recipe of Panera Bread's mac and cheese. I love Panera Bread's mac and cheese and I'm so excited that I can make this copycat recipe. It's rich and creamy and I guarantee your kids are going to love it as well. So let's get started. To begin, I'm going to grate 12 ounces of sharp white cheddar cheese, which is equal to about 3 cups of shredded cheese. Panera's mac and cheese is my favorite mac and cheese. It's really rich and creamy, and I usually buy the pre-made tubs from Costco. And now I'm super excited that I can make large batches of this mac and cheese right at home. Also, if you're new on here, please like and subscribe so that you can help support my cooking channel. Here I have a pot of boiling water, and for this recipe, I like to use pasta shells. You can also use the traditional elbow noodles if you prefer. I just love the shells because it looks a little more fancier, like grown-up mac and cheese. And hey, who says mac and cheese has to only be for kids? Speaking of kids, don't forget to watch until the end to see my son's reaction to the taste test. I'm just going to continue to cook the pasta according to the package instructions, and then I'm going to drain and set aside. Now I'm going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, I'm going to stir in 3 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to continue to cook until I no longer see white lumps and everything is mixed together. Now, very slowly in increments, I'm going to mix in 2 cups of half and half along with 2 cups of milk. 2% or whole milk will work with this recipe. This week, my son had baseball camp and he was in the sun every day for a total of 8 hours. So I try to think of lunches that he would enjoy eating and that would give him lots of energy. So I packed him this mac and cheese for 3 days straight and he did not complain. And it made me happy when he brought home an empty Tupperware every day, which meant he didn't just eat snacks. Lower the heat to medium-low and stir in the white cheddar cheese. As you add in the cheese, the sauce should get nice and thick. This is now my go-to recipe when we're craving mac and cheese. I prefer my mac and cheese to be more on the creamy side, so this consistency is perfect. I'm going to go ahead and season it with 1.5 teaspoons of salt along with half a teaspoon of ground pepper. This mac and cheese can be served as a side dish or a main dish. If you like, you could top it with some sliced chicken breast for some extra protein. What I like to do is to saute some sliced mushrooms with olive oil, salt, and pepper and just sprinkle it over my mac and cheese. Now I'm just going to give it a taste to see if the seasonings are on point, and yes, they are. And now I'm going to stir in the pasta. Look how creamy this is. If you like baked pasta, you can totally bake it, but I like it just like this. And I love how this is so simple, made with only a handful of ingredients. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. This just looks so good, I can't wait to dig in. And of course, I have to add in some red crushed pepper flakes for some heat. And a moment of truth, time to try it out. Cheers, you guys. So good, you guys have to try it out.
Go ahead. And waiting. You don't want my video to be super long. Come on. Hurry up. Okay, you don't like it. Finally. He loves it, guys.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.